Hi friends, I'm going to show you how I installed this altered nozzle which saves 98% of water. Okay, this is the product box that I received and it has clear instructions on how to fix it. I got it from Amazon for it has been written as 2,990. I got it for 2,599. So that's the price. Even in Flipkart, some of our friends have put the message that it is the same price across. Okay, this is a nice product. I thought I will just try it out and see if it works for our Indian situation. So this is a nozzle I have already installed. I just removed this part which comes with this type of tap. It works only with this type of tap. If you have a plastic tap, it doesn't work. It is no use, and you have to remove this. It's do it yourself. You can remove the filter which is inside, and you can fix this. They have given the manual. If you go by that, they have given enough extra rings. You have to just see which ring sets for you. This is how it comes. I think there's some leakage here, which is fine, and I'm getting enough water to clean my hands or wash the vegetables. If I want more flow, I just have to turn it like this. So it gives more water, and you can get water from that. I will just close it. If you just turn this knob like this, it just sprays the water, it creates the mist. So you can install this in your kitchen so that you can save 98% of the water that has been flown through the sink of your kitchen. Thank you. This is Bala Subramaniam from Jitnagar, First Cross Street, Aishwarya Apartments. Have a great day. Bye.